The Prime Minister was also campaigning in Jammu a little earlier, and he's used that opportunity to again attack the Haryana Congress. He talks of these many camps in the Congress's own camp, and that's the reason why he says that this is not a party that can win these elections.
जो पार्टी अपने नेताओं के बीच एकता नहीं ला सकती, वो राज्य में स्थिरता कैसे लाएगी। आप देख रहे हैं कि कैसे यहां कांग्रेस में मुख्यमंत्री बनने के लिए मारामारी मची है। बापू भी दावेदार है और बेटा भी दावेदार है, और दोनों मिलकर बाकियों को निपटाने में लगे हैं। और ये सब देख करके हरियाणा के जागरूक नागरिक कांग्रेस को निपटाने में लग पड़े हैं।
Amandeep continues to stay with us. Amandeep, not very long ago, Manohar Lal Khattar, the former chief minister, had also raked up the entire Shailja episode, and he had said that if she wants, she can come and join the BJP. The Prime Minister pushing that narrative again, does this really help the BJP on ground?
Well, absolutely. Of course, just because the Kumari Shailja is dominating the Dalit vote bank in the state of Haryana. And in fact, Kumari Shailja expect Rahul Gandhi, every single meeting that was held by Bhupinder Singh Hooda or rally held by Bhupinder Singh Hooda, she remained missing from all the stages. And even today also, Dipti, when the manifesto of the Congress party has been launched by the Bhupinder Hooda and Uday Ban and even Ashok Gehlot also, Kumari Shailja was just few kilometers from Chandigarh, but she has not participated in that press conference which was held by these leaders to release the manifesto. So indication is quite clear, and Congress is going to face several fronts in these elections. Kumari Shailja, then that means the Dalit vote bank hit is going to one phase, the dissent leaders who has been expelled from the party 2, and even non-Jat vote bank is 3. Randeep Surjewala is 4. There are so many fronts that Bhupinder Singh Hooda's camp is going to face in this assembly election. So it is a wait and watch kind of situation. Just because when Kumari Shailja stepped on the ground, she was only visiting only that constituencies to which she was backing for the seats. And in fact, she's not visiting to those seats where the Hooda camp is contesting the elections.
Okay, so and Amandeep, many people know that I think it's a Dalit vote that possibly could be deciding who wins the Haryana election. For the moment, thank you for getting us the latest on that.